Sometimes it's the small things that affect the quality of our lives the most. It's time to do something about this. Snorple is the most adjustable, versatile, comfortable anti-snoring mouthpiece we have ever produced. Snorple both advances the bottom jaw forward and restricts the tongue's ability to fall into a snore-possible position. Unlike any other device available, the Snorple gives you total control. With 5 bite adjustments, you can select what feels best and what achieves the best results for your uniquely shaped mouth. The tongue bumpers are completely removable and also come with 2 adjustment positions for a completely custom experience. The center of the mouthpiece will custom form to the shape of your teeth in under 30 seconds after hot water is applied to our proprietary thermoform plastic. Simply follow our easy-to-use instructions on the packaging. Order yours today.